So, and we got a lot of black leaders in America always use those same ambiguous words. We want everybody to be free. All people should have rights. The only people who didn't have them was black folk. See, they're scared to say black folk. And every time you use that broad, ambiguous word, you play in that same game they were playing back during slavery. And I keep telling our black leadership, quit trying to write things and speak in broad, ambiguous terms, talking about everybody, rather than talking about your own people. See, every time you start talking about
right. And that what makes a man.
Right.
Your priorities come before anything.
Right.
Your kids and what you need to do is come before anything. And if I can get that in me, I'll be the best man. I think I'll be the best man as well. Because I know I got the Lord on my side.
Let me ask you something. You said before, and this is something different. You said before about Africans.
You saying that's black people, American black people, but Africans don't think they black. Yeah.
You said they don't think they're black. What does that mean?
Okay, this is what I'm saying. They think they're better than American blacks.
Okay. What does it mean to be black though? Because that phrase now
it means to me,
right.
Being a black man is
UNITY, that's a unity.
Black people should stick together. Every other race, why do they hate black people so much? Why are they afraid of us? Notice one thing, the way I see it, we're not prejudiced.
Right.
As far as I see it,
right.
We're not prejudiced.
We accept everybody.
Right. And why we can't be accepted? They think
right.
Every nationality think we animals. And they the worst in this world. The way I see it.
Right.
And dude, to me, with other nationalities, I think they're stupid. You understand?
Okay.
How could you hate somebody you don't know? I'm not saying all nationalities are like that.
Maybe we need to stop being so...
Like, look what they doing now. All this shooting. And notice what they doing. They're shooting people of color. They shoot different type of, shooting Mexicans, blacks. They're not killing whiteys.
Right.
Every time a cop shoot a person, a white cop, why a black person can run up a white and hold back and not kill him? Why a white person comes, the first thing he do, he's afraid. Why? I don't understand that. First thing you think about shooting a black person.
You saying black scared to shoot a Caucasian?
They're not scared, but they think. Black thinks.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
The whiteys, they'll think, but shit, we killed another nigga.
So, but when you say black, there's a lot of black people out here now that's not us, like Dominicans. They got woolly hair and brown skin, but they're not.
It's 100%, but they still think they're better than us. And why is that? I don't understand.
Because we haven't gotten our shit together, that's why.
And why we can't stick together? Well, I'm saying to myself, when we were young, we stuck together like glue. Now it's all separations.
Yeah.
Then to top off the whole thing. Oh man, I hate being on a bus. The kids these days, not only the kids, the grown-ups.
What? What's wrong with
They have no manners. No manners at all, man. One day,
this is a different...
One day, it's a different era.
Look at the music we listen to compared to your music.
Like
the music is raunchy, sexual.
Okay. Why? I listen to that music, so I hate it.
Right.
I hate it.
The times have changed, that's what I'm saying. In your day, they didn't listen to music like that.
Right.
That was crazy to listen to music like that.
Right. And another thing, I look at it, kids are having kids.
Right.
They don't give them no morals. They don't give them no kind of, teach them respect. Nothing. I ain't gonna say all now, don't get me wrong. I ain't gonna say all.
Okay.
I take for instance yesterday, I'm on a bus. This young girl, she had to be no more than 15, 16 years old.
Okay.
She gets on the bus, she stops right there. I said, excuse me, young lady. Just like I said, excuse me, people are coming in. You're blocking the walkway. Could you move back a little? I ain't moving nowhere.
What? She was African American,
She
like
was black.
black. But black can mean anything nowadays.
Right, true.
I'm a Black Boricua, Black Rican, Puerto Rican. Being black in America is my racial identity. So to me, being black is not just a skin color, nor is it synonymous with African Americans only, nor is it synonymous with African Americans only.
But black can mean anything nowadays.
Right, true.
When someone asks me, what do I self-identify with, I like to think of it as twofold. So I always ask back, well, what do you mean, my ethnicity, or are you talking about my race? So if it's regards to ethnicity, then I identify with Haitian American, or Caribbean American.
Right.
If someone's asking me what my race is, I'm black.
But black can mean anything nowadays.
Right, true.
Radio Guarachita o Radio Mujercita.
So when you see other black people, right, don't be stupid and think that's your people.
Right, okay.
But the thing that bothers me, I mean, I have a common courtesy, I have a kind of respect to move out the, like take for instance, I have a walker.
Okay.
Sometimes I can't even walk. This girl was getting on a bus with 2 kids and some kind of, a couple of bags. People walking by her. Give her a hand. I pushed her and walked on the side. I went out there and gave her a hand myself.
But y'all wasn't doing that when y'all was young teenagers
Yes,
with
we was.
Blackie on the
No,
dog.
no,
Y'all bring
Right now.
Blackie on the bus.
Let's
walk
It
on
could
the train
it could
on
be
the bus.
20 of y'all on the bus.
What? Shit.
On the bus?
What? We used to bring a dog on the bus. We used to have a dog named Blackie. We used to bring that dog on the bus.
Y'all bring
Right now.
Blackie on the bus.
Let me explain something to you right now.
What?
We did
Uh-huh.
back in the days.
Right.
It's completely different. We brought we were doing that out of fun. But we wouldn't disrespect elderly people. Elderly people, people handicapped and all that. If we got on a bus, and an elderly person got on the bus, we didn't curse and all that. We didn't do that. We didn't know who was on the bus, could tell our parents.
Okay.
If we get on the bus and a young guy sitting there and an old lady come on, yo, give the lady a seat. Then they give the lady, give me snacks. Get the fuck up. One thing we was raised, man, to respect.
Okay.
That's the thing we was raised on. And there's none of that no more. None of it. And it's not only coming from the kids, teenage kids and all that. You got some elderly people. That's the foreigners. They're not used to having stuff that we had. You understand?
Right.
They're not used to it.
They come from poor countries.
Right.
That's why, Mike, but see, look, that's why I think everything got confusing, because they started moving into our hoods. They started moving into our neighborhoods.
Right.
Queremos un mundo que decimos que tenemos un latino unidos.
Estamos como estamos porque somos racistas entre nosotros mismos, entre nuestra propia gente. ¿Sabes qué? No nos apoyamos.
Where are you from? What's your nationality? Mexico.
By the end of the 20th century, 4.3 million Mexican immigrants lived in the U.S., and almost 1.5 million from the Philippines. The Dominican Republic, Cuba, South Korea, and India were also major sources of new Americans.
Where are you from?
Venezuela.
Venezuela. So, what is your nationality?
Oh, my nationality is Dominican.
Control de chismoso lo que hay en tu foro. Parecen un salón, no, quítense ese rolo. Por eso yo no comparto yendo solo.
So when you see other black people, right, don't be stupid and think that's your people.
Right, okay.
I think that got something to do with it, Mike. How they started moving all these nationalities and things changed.
No, you don't think that's what happened. That's why it happened. Exactly.
Why things change.
Yeah.
All these
We
nationalities.
call it this name. Yes, that. I don't call this the Bronx no more.
What you call it?
El Bronco.
Levantados, transformados en una nube. Fue buscado es aleluya. En primera de Tesalonicenses, capítulo 5, aleluya. Santo es su nombre.
Right.
You know?
Right.
Like I said, people don't look and read. Instead of yelling and screaming out, sit back and observe.
Okay.
You understand? That's the difference is I observe. I try to get along with everybody. If I can't get along with you, I go on about my business. You understand? I don't like prejudiced people. Now look at this. They talk about Mexicans. I love Mexicans.
Okay.
Why? Because they're working people.
Working, right.
They don't. They work.
Well, that's one of their complaints about us. They say we don't want to work.
See that, and
they
guess
say
what?
that.
Guess what? They're not lying.
They're not lying.
Not all of us, but they're not lying.
Because I guess we feel like we built this shit already.
We didn't build it. Goddamn.
We built America, man. America built on our back.
I'm gonna tell you who built America.
Who built America?
Built America. Immigrants.
With us.
Yeah, okay, right. Okay, with us.
We're
immigrants.
Right. Right.
But we was here before they were.
A lot of us was tricked though. We was tricked over here.
A lot of stuff been stolen from us.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
And we had a lot of leaders that realized what was going on, and as soon as they get to the point where they trying to let all of us know, they got killed. So you got to sit back and observe.
Right.
You know?
Right.
A lot of things we know and we just came out of our brain. Not going to school, we grew up learning this. It comes out of our brain, like the first brain surgery. It wasn't done by no white person. It wasn't.
Yeah, way back.
Way back. You understand? We did a lot of things that were stolen from us.